Ever wondered how prepared you are for a natural disaster? The world around us is unpredictable and Mother Nature doesn't hold back. Welcome to our comprehensive video series where we explore the 15 worst natural disasters in the United States. From the destructive force of hurricanes to the fiery wrath of wildfires, we'll delve deep into the causes, impacts, and survival strategies for each event. Throughout this series, we'll navigate the turbulent waters of hurricanes, feel the earth shake under the power of earthquakes, and brace ourselves against the swirling winds of tornadoes. We'll face the relentless spread of wildfires, the rising tides of floods, and the blinding snowfall of blizzards. We'll endure the scorching heat waves, witness the earth shift in landslides, and watch the sea rise in tsunamis. We'll explore the fiery depths of volcanic eruptions, the parched landscapes of droughts, and the electrifying spectacle of lightning storms. We'll confront the silent spread of pandemics, the freezing grip of ice storms, and even the celestial threat of meteor strikes. But this series is not just about understanding these catastrophic events. It's about arming ourselves with knowledge and preparation. It's about building a community of informed individuals, ready to face whatever challenges nature throws our way. Each video in this series will equip you with expert advice, preparation checklists, and real-world survival tips. We encourage you to engage, to share your experiences, tips, and questions. After all, knowledge is power, and in the face of a disaster, it can mean the difference between survival and catastrophe. So be part of this journey, be part of this community. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on new videos from the series. Like and share these videos to spread awareness and help build a prepared and informed community. Our next video will take you into the eye of the storm as we cover the devastating power of hurricanes, their historical impacts, and how to prepare, survive, and recover from them. Stay tuned as we delve into the unpredictable world of natural disasters. Because when nature flexes her muscles, it's not about fighting back. It's about being ready. Why worry about natural disasters? The answer is simple: preparedness. We live in a world where the unexpected happens. Hurricanes, earthquakes, wildfires, you name it, the list of natural disasters is long and daunting. However, the power of preparedness cannot be overstated. Being prepared doesn't just mean having a go-bag ready or knowing the nearest evacuation route. True preparedness comes from understanding the causes of these disasters, their impacts, and most importantly, how to survive them. That's where this video series comes into play. We aim not just to educate, but to equip you with practical survival strategies. This series will provide insight into the worst disasters that have hit the United States and how to prepare for them should they strike again. Our goal is simple. We want to help you build resilience, to empower you to face these challenges head-on. Remember, knowledge is the first step toward survival. So, what can you expect from this video series? Well, each episode is a deep dive into a specific type of natural disaster. We're talking hurricanes, earthquakes, wildfires, and 12 other major threats. We'll explore the causes, impacts, and most importantly, strategies for survival. You'll get expert advice straight from professionals who've studied these disasters and lived to tell the tale. We're not just talking theories here, we're talking about real-world, practical tips you can use. Each episode will also come with a preparation checklist. This isn't your average grocery list, it's a comprehensive guide to what you'll need to survive and thrive when disaster strikes. But we're not just throwing information at you. This series is about building a community. We'll have engaging discussions where you can share your experiences, learn from others, and ask your burning questions. Get ready to become a part of an informed and prepared community. Preparation is a community effort. That's a phrase we believe in deeply. Now, we're sure you've picked up a thing or two from your own experiences with nature's unpredictable ways. That's why we encourage you to share your wisdom with us and with your fellow viewers. Maybe you've been through a hurricane, a wildfire, or a flood. Maybe you've learned how to make a survival kit last longer or found a unique way to purify water. Whatever it is, your experiences and tips could be invaluable to someone else. But it's not just about sharing, it's about learning too. As you engage with the series, take the opportunity to absorb the wisdom of others. Pose your questions, your doubts. You never know who might have the answer that saves your life one day. And remember, community isn't just about sharing knowledge, it's about support too. When you're preparing for the worst, it can be a lonely and daunting task. But knowing you're not alone, that there are others out there who understand what you're going through, can provide the strength to keep going. So let's make this a dialogue, not a monologue. Let's learn from each other. Let's support each other. Because when we work together, when we pool our knowledge and our resources, we're stronger than any storm, any earthquake, any wildfire. As we delve into the causes, impacts, and survival strategies for each disaster, we urge you to engage. Share your experiences, your tips, your questions, because every piece of information, every shared experience strengthens our collective preparedness. Engage with us, with each other, and let's turn this series into a community project. Let's build a network of informed, prepared individuals ready to face whatever challenges nature throws our way. Because at the end of the day, we're all in this together. We're all facing the same unpredictable, powerful force of nature, and we're all stronger when we face it together. So let's share, let's learn, let's support each other. Together we can build a resilient community. Want to stay updated on our video series? Well, you're in luck. It's as simple as clicking that subscribe button right there on your screen. And don't forget to hit the notification bell while you're at it. That way, you'll be the first to know when we drop a new video, keeping you one step ahead in your preparedness journey. But hold on, we're not done just yet. If you found the information in this video useful, give it a big thumbs up. Your likes help us reach more people, spreading the vital knowledge of disaster preparedness far and wide. And if you're feeling extra generous, why not share this video with your friends and family? After all, the more we share, the stronger we become. So let's grow this community together, one video at a time. Join us in our mission to build a prepared and informed community. Curious about what's coming next? Well, allow me to whet your appetite. Brace yourselves as we are about to venture into the stormy and unpredictable world of hurricanes in our next video. We'll explore the sheer power of these mammoth storms, their devastating impacts, and the historical events that have shaped our understanding of them. But it's not all doom and gloom. We'll also arm you with knowledge and strategies to weather the storm. From understanding the science behind hurricanes, to the essential preparation steps, survival tactics, and recovery strategies, we've got you covered. You'll learn how to secure your home against high winds, what supplies to stockpile, and how to stay safe when the storm hits. This is not just about survival. It's about thriving in the face of adversity. So, are you ready to dive into the eye of the storm? Stay tuned for our deep dive into the world of hurricanes. Let's wrap up our introduction to this eye-opening series. We've covered a lot of ground, outlining the vast array of natural disasters that can strike without warning and the devastating impacts they can have. But the aim of this series isn't to instill fear. Quite the opposite. It's about empowerment through knowledge and preparation. Think of this series as your survival guide, a compendium of knowledge that will equip you with the tools you need to face the unpredictable. Each episode will delve into the specifics of a different disaster, dissecting its causes, impacts, and most importantly, providing you with survival strategies to weather the storm, whatever form it may take. The importance of preparation cannot be overstated. As the old saying goes, forewarned is forearmed. By understanding these catastrophic events, we can better prepare ourselves and our communities to withstand their destructive power. It's not just about stocking up on canned goods and bottled water, although those are important. It's about developing a mindset of readiness, of resilience, of adaptability. Knowledge is our greatest weapon against disaster. It's the key to survival. And that's what this series aims to provide. A wealth of knowledge distilled into accessible, engaging videos that will help you build your own survival blueprint. A plan that's tailored to you, your environment, your unique needs. But it's not just about learning. It's also about sharing. We encourage you to engage with this series, to share your own experiences, tips, and questions. Because when it comes to survival, community is everything. We can learn so much from each other, and together, we can build a network of resilient individuals ready to face whatever challenges nature throws our way. So as we close this introduction, remember this. The aim of this series is to empower you, to equip you with the knowledge and tools you need to prepare for, survive, and recover from natural disasters. Let's embark on this journey together. Remember, the first step towards survival is being prepared. Let's embark on this journey together.